In the quiet depth of Raj Yoga, Astro Principle guides you toward the subtle alignment where destiny rises through inner clarity rather than outer force. Raj Yoga forms when supportive grahas strengthen your lagna, allowing purpose, confidence, and opportunity to unfold in a natural rhythm. This yoga is not sudden luck, but the meeting of karmic maturity and cosmic timing, where your path opens gently, revealing the authority and grace already waiting within you. The ascendant, lagna, is always considered the first house of any horoscope. In this video, the South Indian chart shows Aries as the ascendant only for demonstration. The North Indian chart is displayed to illustrate the chart style and is not linked to any specific zodiac sign. Your personal horoscope may have a different ascendant. To understand this yoga correctly, always count the placement of planets or nakshatras from your own true ascendant, because the impact of this yoga unfolds uniquely for each individual. Aries carries the fire of Mars, and when Raj Yoga forms in your chart, Astro Principle sees your rise emerging through disciplined courage and dharmic intention. When Mars aligns with Jupiter or the lords of the 9th or 10th house, your actions gain a sacred momentum that turns effort into influence. Raj Yoga awakens when your initiative becomes purposeful, allowing leadership to flow without aggression. During supportive dashas, people trust your direction instinctively, drawn to your clarity and strength. This yoga deepens when your fire is steady, your intentions clean, and your energy directed toward meaningful goals. Your victories become pathways of service rather than ego, shaping a destiny where your inner warrior acts with wisdom, patience, and a sense of higher alignment. Taurus moves with the grace of Venus, and when Raj Yoga forms in your chart, Astro Principle observes a steady rise shaped by patience, sincerity, and grounded effort. When Venus aligns with the lords of the 9th, 10th, or 5th house, your life gains a quiet momentum that feels destined yet peaceful. Raj Yoga for Taurus is never dramatic. It unfolds like a slow, confident bloom. Your rise comes through loyalty, consistency, and the ability to create value wherever you go. During supportive dashas, opportunities emerge through relationships, creativity, or long-term efforts finally bearing fruit. Your calm nature becomes your strength, helping you make wise decisions without rushing. This yoga strengthens when you honor your inner rhythm and avoid forcing outcomes. Raj Yoga for Taurus is the blossoming of a garden tended with devotion, where prosperity grows naturally from the soil of patience and integrity. Gemini awakens through Mercury's clarity, and when Raj Yoga forms in your chart, Astro Principle sees your rise shaped by intellect, communication, and adaptable thinking. When Mercury connects with the lords of the 9th, 10th, or 5th house, your ideas gain authority and your voice carries influence. Raj Yoga activates when your curiosity becomes purposeful and your mind aligns with focus rather than distraction. During supportive dashas, your words open doors, your skills attract recognition, and your ability to connect people becomes a source of leadership. This yoga strengthens when you use your intelligence with integrity and avoid scattering your energy. Your rise often comes through learning, teaching, writing, or strategic thinking. Raj Yoga for Gemini is the moment when your mind becomes a bridge between possibility and reality, shaping your path with insight, grace, and higher alignment. Cancer moves with the gentle strength of the moon, and when Raj Yoga forms in your chart, Astro Principle observes an emotional awakening that brings intuition, stability, and inner authority. When the moon aligns with the lords of the 9th, 10th, or 5th house, your nurturing nature becomes a source of power rather than vulnerability. Raj Yoga activates when your emotions settle and your intuition becomes clear enough to guide your decisions. During supportive dashas, people trust your presence, seek your guidance, and feel comforted by your calm wisdom. Your rise often comes through empathy, healing, leadership rooted in care, or the ability to create emotional safety for others. This yoga deepens when you honor your sensitivity without letting it overwhelm you. Raj Yoga for Cancer is the soft strength of the heart becoming a steady light, guiding you toward a destiny shaped by compassion, balance, and inner truth. Leo rises through the radiance of the sun, and when Raj Yoga forms in your chart, Astro Principle observes a natural awakening of confidence, purpose, and inner sovereignty. When the sun aligns with the lords of the ninth, 10th, or 5th house, your path becomes illuminated with clarity and recognition. Raj Yoga for Leo activates when your self-expression becomes aligned with Dharma rather than ego, allowing your leadership to feel warm, inspiring, and steady. During supportive dashas, opportunities appear through authority figures, creative pursuits, or roles that require courage and visibility. This yoga strengthens when you embrace humility alongside strength, letting your light uplift others rather than overpower them. Raj Yoga for Leo is the moment when your inner sun shines without strain, guiding you toward a destiny shaped by authenticity, generosity, and a deep sense of purpose. Virgo moves with Mercury's precision, and when Raj Yoga forms in your chart, Astro Principle sees your rise emerging through clarity, discipline, and refined intelligence. When Mercury aligns with the lords of the ninth, 10th, or 5th house, your analytical abilities gain authority and your decisions carry weight. Raj Yoga for Virgo activates when your attention to detail becomes a tool of empowerment rather than self-criticism. During supportive dashas, your skills, problem-solving abilities, and practical wisdom attract recognition and trust. This yoga strengthens when you balance logic with intuition, allowing your mind to serve your higher path rather than overwhelm it. Your rise often comes through service, healing, organization, or mastery of a craft. Raj Yoga for Virgo is the quiet unfolding of excellence, where your steady dedication becomes the foundation of a destiny shaped by clarity, integrity, and purposeful action. Libra moves with the harmony of Venus, and when Raj Yoga forms in your chart, Astro Principle observes a rise shaped by balance, diplomacy, and refined judgment. When Venus aligns with the lords of the ninth, 10th, or 5th house, your charm gains authority and your relationships become pathways to opportunity. Raj Yoga for Libra activates when your desire for harmony becomes aligned with truth rather than avoidance, allowing your presence to bring clarity and peace. During supportive dashas, partnerships, collaborations, and creative endeavors open doors that feel both destined and graceful. This yoga strengthens when you honor your inner equilibrium and avoid sacrificing your needs for external approval. Your rise often comes through beauty, justice, negotiation, or artistic expression. Raj Yoga for Libra is the gentle unfolding of influence through grace, where your ability to create harmony becomes a powerful force shaping your destiny. Scorpio moves with the depth of Mars, and when Raj Yoga forms in your chart, Astro Principle sees your rise emerging through transformation, resilience, and inner power. When Mars aligns with the lords of the ninth, 10th, or 5th house, your intensity becomes a source of authority rather than conflict. Raj Yoga for Scorpio activates when your emotional depth is channeled into purpose, allowing you to navigate challenges with clarity and strength. During supportive dashas, breakthroughs occur through research, strategy, healing, or situations that require courage and insight. This yoga strengthens when you release old patterns and embrace renewal, letting your inner fire guide you rather than consume you. Your rise often comes through profound change, where endings become gateways to higher purpose. Raj Yoga for Scorpio is the awakening of silent power, shaping a destiny built on truth, transformation, and unwavering determination. Sagittarius rises through Jupiter's expansive wisdom, and when Raj Yoga forms in your chart, Astro Principle observes a destiny shaped by knowledge, faith, and purposeful exploration. When Jupiter aligns with the lords of the ninth, 10th, or 5th house, your path opens with opportunities that feel guided and meaningful. Raj Yoga for Sagittarius activates when your optimism becomes disciplined and your vision aligns with Dharma. During supportive dashas, teachers, mentors, travel, or spiritual insights bring breakthroughs that elevate your direction. This yoga strengthens when you balance freedom with responsibility, allowing your natural enthusiasm to become a force of leadership rather than restlessness. Your rise often comes through teaching, philosophy, guidance, or roles that require wisdom and clarity. Raj Yoga for Sagittarius is the unfolding of a higher journey, where your inner fire seeks truth, purpose, and a destiny illuminated by expansive understanding. Capricorn moves with the discipline of Saturn, and when Raj Yoga forms in your chart, Astro Principle sees your rise emerging through perseverance, structure, and unwavering commitment. When Saturn aligns with the lords of the ninth, 10th, or 5th house, your efforts gain long-term strength and recognition. Raj Yoga for Capricorn activates when your patience becomes purposeful and your ambition aligns with integrity. During supportive dashas, authority figures notice your reliability and responsibilities transform into opportunities. This yoga strengthens when you release fear of delay and trust the timing of your journey. Your rise often comes through leadership, administration, strategy, or roles that require endurance and maturity. Raj Yoga for Capricorn is the steady ascent of a mountain climber, where each step builds a foundation of wisdom, resilience, and earned success. Aquarius moves with the insight of Saturn, and when Raj Yoga forms in your chart, Astro Principle observes a rise shaped by innovation, clarity, and humanitarian purpose. When Saturn aligns with the lords of the ninth, 10th, or 5th house, your unconventional ideas gain structure and authority. Raj Yoga for Aquarius activates when your individuality becomes aligned with service, allowing your vision to uplift others. During supportive dashas, breakthroughs come through technology, community, research, or roles that require originality and long-term thinking. This yoga strengthens when you balance detachment with compassion, letting your intellect guide your heart rather than isolate it. Your rise often comes through reform, leadership in groups, or contributions that benefit society. Raj Yoga for Aquarius is the awakening of a visionary path, where your clarity shapes a future built on wisdom, fairness, and collective growth. Pisces moves with the intuition of Jupiter, and when Raj Yoga forms in your chart, Astro Principle sees your rise emerging through compassion, imagination, and spiritual depth. When Jupiter aligns with the lords of the ninth, 10th, or 5th house, your inner sensitivity becomes a source of strength rather than confusion. Raj Yoga for Pisces activates when your dreams gain direction and your intuition aligns with grounded action. During supportive dashas, opportunities arise through healing, creativity, guidance, or roles that require empathy and emotional intelligence. This yoga strengthens when you trust your inner voice without losing practical balance. Your rise often comes through service, artistry, or spiritual leadership. Raj Yoga for Pisces is the gentle unfolding of a destiny shaped by kindness, insight, and the quiet power of a heart aligned with higher truth. The journey of Raj Yoga reminds you that destiny unfolds through alignment, not force, and Astro Principle guides you toward recognizing the strengths already present within your chart. When supportive grahas uplift your lagna, your path becomes clearer, your purpose steadier, and your rise more natural. Raj Yoga is the meeting of preparation and cosmic timing, a moment when your inner light aligns with the universe's rhythm. As you move forward, may clarity, balance, and grace accompany every step of your unfolding destiny.